I used Genmo to create this cool art and animate the clouds. Fantastic, right? I was lucky and got early access to the new Genmo Chat. I not only animated and edited pictures with Genmo, I also used it for text to video. This video of the two eagles was done by Genmo AI. Since it is not out yet, not many people have seen the new Genmo Chat interface yet, but I will show it to you. And that's the new Genmo Chat interface. You can create images, edit existing images, animate them, and use text to video. I asked Genmo to create a picture of a robot walking on a mountain. You can see the prompt there. I thought that I had to first change the background to a stormy one before animating it. That was not the case, and I got an error message. In that case, it was possible to go directly for the animation and the clouds got added automatically. Pretty cool. And that's the final result I got. But don't leave yet, because I really want to show you how easy it is to use Genmo for text to video conversion. Before I show you how to do that, a quick reminder to subscribe to this channel. My goal is to reach 1,000 subscribers, and each and every one matters. So I went back to the Genmo Chat for the text to video generation. The prompt I used was, can you create me a video of majestic eagle overlooking a rocky mountain with natural light and a beautiful landscape? What I found quite interesting was that Genmo interpreted and optimized my prompt by himself. You can see the optimized prompt right here, and that was the final result of this video generation prompt. You can see that the rock is sticking out a little bit. But besides that, I really have to say that I love this video generation. If you remember correctly, there are two more features we didn't try out yet: the combining of the videos and the editing of a single image. Let me first show you the video combination feature. So I created a second video about a small plane flying. That's the video I got. I went back to Genmo Chat and simply asked it to combine the two videos. An important note is that the two videos have to be in the same chat, and that's the result I got. I think for small projects, this combination tool can be useful, but for me personally, I would use a standard video tool for bigger projects. I am already feeling sorry for you that I showed you so many functions in only one video. But if you give me, like 30 seconds more of your time, I will show you the last function, how to edit images with Genmo. To make use of the upload function, I first created a picture, then downloaded it to my computer and uploaded it to another chat, so that you can see how it works with all the pictures, even ones that were not created in the instance. I wanted to change the light of the picture to a more sunny theme, so I changed the weather. There you can see the old picture and the new one with the stronger light. For the final test, I wanted it to change the video to a darker, dusk-like tone, and that is my final result. Pretty cool. So now let me give this tool my final rating from 1 to 10. I had a lot of fun trying out the new Genmo Chat, and I am sure that this tool will have a huge impact on AI art in the future. That's why I give this tool a 9 out of 10. And that's it from AI Einstein. Please subscribe to my channel and leave a comment to support this channel. See you in the next video.